So we just came from the South Point cliff jump, which was so fun and a little dangerous, but totally doable. And right next door to that is one of the only green sand beaches in the world. So we decided to just hop on over. Little did we know that from the parking lot area, it is a 2.5 mile hike walk to get to the beach. We feel like it's totally worth it, so here we are hoofing it. We've tried hitchhiking a little bit because there is a super off-trail road available that our car can't make. We were picked up by one guy and that was really nice, but he didn't end up going the whole way, so now we're walking. But we hear it'll be worth it. The great thing about this area that we've felt so far is that all of the people coming here really care about nature. They really care about doing cool and unique and beautiful things, just like we do. So we feel like we're building kind of a traveler community as we come around these areas. Everybody's been super friendly, very helpful, and we just so appreciate that when we're going somewhere new and away from home and away from loved ones. So thanks everybody. Well, after over an hour, we finally made it to the green sand beach. I gotta admit, I'm not totally sure. Not totally sure it was worth it. We could have rented a car for $15 a person round trip. And I was just feeling pretty cool at the time, thinking it's just walking, it's just hiking. But you know what? It was in direct sun. We forgot sunscreen, we forgot water. We were just pretty ill prepared for how long it would actually feel and how rocky it would be in places. I actually fell once and scraped up my leg a bit. That's my own fault because I was trying to get a cool picture. Not worth it. But in either case, I don't know. I mean, it's cool to be here. Apparently there just aren't a lot of green sand beaches in the world. And it's cool to say that we're at one now, but you think that's worth it? This time. That makes it a little better. What do you think, Ben? Final thoughts, was it worth it?